Hello. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another brand new video. In this video today, we're going to be making some tasty Baigan Choka or Eggplant Choka or Baigan Choka, whatever you want to call it. So to start off, the ingredients that I'm going to be using here today is 1 tablespoon of salt. I have some scallion, some spring onions. This is about 2 stalks of spring onions. I have a hot pepper here. I'm going to be using half of this hot pepper. I have 5 cloves of garlic over here. I've thinly sliced one of the clove of garlic over here, which I'm going to be sticking into my eggplant. We're going to get to that in a second. And over here, I have my eggplant, guys. 1 big fat eggplant. And over here, I have my aluminum foil paper. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients that we're going to be needing for this video, for this recipe. Alright guys, so to begin, I'm just going to be taking my eggplant over here. I'm going to be stabbing it to make some holes into the eggplant. Just like so. You want to make some deep cuts into the eggplant. Not too deep, but sufficient amount. Then we're going to be taking, remember that 1 clove of garlic that I mentioned that I thinly sliced. I'm going to be taking this piece of garlic here and stuffing it into the hole that I make on the eggplant. Just like this. You want to get it all the way inside there, alright guys? So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. Alright guys, so I went ahead and stuffed my eggplant with my 1 clove of garlic. I did make additional holes on my eggplant here. Well, all over the eggplant, not just specifically there, but I did make additional holes that does not have any garlic in them. Because you want to have enough hole on the eggplant so it doesn't explode while you're cooking it. Okay, guys? You want to give some room for that steam to escape. And now what I'm going to be doing here, guys, because I will be roasting my eggplant on my stove. So I'm going to be wrapping my eggplant in this piece of foil paper over here. And then I'm going to put it on the open flames on my stove over here to roast, guys. So let's get to this. I'm also going to go ahead and wrap my half of a hot pepper in foil paper as well, because I'm also going to be roasting the pepper. Okay guys, so now let's jump over to the stove. Let me show you how we're going to be roasting these boys. Alright guys, so here we are over at my stove. As you can see, my stove is already turned on. Here I have my eggplant wrapped in foil paper, as well as my hot pepper. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna place both of these objects directly onto the fire, like so. And I have my heat on medium. I'm gonna allow my eggplant to roast. This should take about 30 to 45 minutes, give or take. And what you want to do is every couple minutes you want to keep rotating your eggplant so that each side gets cooked adequately. And I'm gonna go ahead and let that roast on the fire. And I'm going to check back in when it's finished. Alright guys, so while my eggplant is on the stove roasting away, my eggplant as well as my hot peppers are both on the stove roasting away. I want to come back over this way to show you guys what I'm going to do with the garlic. Now for the garlic, I'm just going to be using this. This is a rolling pin. I'm just going to be rolling over the garlic to flatten it and to get it as smooth as possible. Alright guys, so I did forget to mention we're also going to be using half of an onion. For me this is a whole onion, but it's a small one. But so if you have a large onion, you want to be using half of that onion. We're going to cut this onion up. We're also going to be using 2 tablespoons of oil. we're just gonna heat the oil up and we're gonna use it to pour into our Baigan Choka. And if you want, while you're frying that 2 tablespoons of oil, you can place your onions in there to fry a little if you don't like the taste of raw onions. Alright guys, so here we are. My Baigan must finish for my Baigan Choka. I've literally just taken it off the fire. As you can see, it's still steaming. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and use this spoon over here to scrape out the insides of my Baigan Choka. Of my Baigan, it's not Choka yet. And I'm gonna place it in this bowl here. I've also gone ahead and put 2 tablespoons of oil on the fire because we're gonna add that oil to this recipe, the hot oil. Okay guys, so you're gonna go ahead and use your spoon like this to scrape out the middle of your eggplant. Alright guys, so here I have the middle of my eggplant and my Baigan. You just go ahead and scrape out all this fleshy goodness from the middle. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my other ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic, my crushed garlic to this recipe. I'm also gonna go ahead and add my scallions, my green onion, my spring onion, and my regular onions, as well as my 1 tablespoon of salt. Go ahead and add everything in here. Give it a nice mix. Now guys, what I'm also going to do, I'm going to transfer my mixture out of this bowl. This is a plastic bowl and I have my oil on the fire. And I don't want it to just seep through this bowl. So I'm gonna place my contents here into a metal or silver bowl and I'll come right back. So here I have my Baigan ready for my hot oil now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that hot oil all over this. And what you wanna hear, you wanna listen for that good old sizzle, guys. Alright, so here I am guys, my version of Baigan Choka. Now, normally this is enjoyed with some roti. Do be careful with the amount of oil that you add to it. So based on the amount that you're making, that's how much oil you should be adding. Alright guys, and this is about it for my Baigan Choka recipe.